Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what to do if you cannot find the Gallery app on your ASUS Rog phone. If you cannot find the Gallery app, then slide up on your home screen, then you'll see the search bar and you can just search for it. So search for Gallery and most probably you will find it by now. If you still cannot find it, then I would suggest you searching for Photos. This will be the Google Photos, which is a different app, but it's also installed on your phone by default, and you should have found it. If still not, then you may want to go to Play Store, go to Search, and search for Photos. Then click on the Google Photos and click on Enable if there is a button to enable or install it or update, whatever, and you can use it as a gallery and it fully works. But if this still doesn't work for you, then you may want to scroll up on your home screen again and go to File Manager. So search for File Manager, open that, and now you'll see the images here. Here are my screenshots. If I have any camera roll photos, I could also open them. And also you can, for example, go to videos if you have any, and you'll see them here. And it's also functional enough, but it doesn't have the features like edit photos or whatever. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.